Don't you wish you could find stylish and durable furniture without spending a fortune? Here are some tips on how you never have to settle for less.
Georgia Furniture Mart's been in business now for 34 years. We're so blessed to have had a great relationship with the community of Atlanta. Some of the unique things that make us really special is, first off, the size of the showroom. We have over 130,000 square feet of beautiful furnishings in this store. We dwarf any and all other furniture stores in the Southeast United States. Second off, we don't consider that we're just in the furniture business. We literally believe we're in the life improvement business. And when you filter through that filter, you truly have a great relationship with your customers. The third thing that makes us special is this showroom is truly one of the most high volume furniture stores in all of America, which means we have the ability to bring those prices way, way down, never overcharging, always giving tremendous values.
The inspiration behind any room decor starts with you. The experts at Georgia Furniture Mart can help you decide what your heart desires.
We literally represent all of the beautiful style categories that a person could want. From glam, just a tremendous selection, to traditional, to modern, to transitional. Anything it takes, we have tremendous selections in every single category. So even when it comes to Farmhouse, we have a beautiful, incredible category of just Farmhouse in bedroom, dining, living room, all of the different categories to make your home beautiful.
Mike has some ideas for designing the perfect living room.
When it comes to your living room, you know we all live really fast-paced and busy lifestyles. And in the living room, one of the hottest categories that we see going on today is reclining furniture. Yesteryear, reclining furniture wasn't so attractive and pretty. Today, the styles are absolutely beautiful. And at Georgia Furniture Mart, we don't have 4 or 5 sets. We literally have 50 sets of beautiful reclining furniture. And that's the way to bring about relaxation and comfort and life improvement.
And who doesn't love the perfect master bedroom?
At Georgia Furniture Mart, the bedroom is one of our most favorite rooms to help people improve their lives. The bedroom's a place of love and intimacy, and a place where we spend most of our time and need the greatest amount of relaxation. From mattresses to the bedroom styles, we have it all. Literally over 80 beautiful bedrooms to help you improve your life.
When it comes to kids' spaces, it's all about fun.
With respect to kids' rooms, Georgia Furniture Mart realizes that both the parents and the children have a common goal, a place for the kids to call their own, a quiet place, a place to study, a place to do their homework, a place to rest and also entertain their friends and play. So with that in mind, Georgia Furniture Mart has over 40 beautiful kids' rooms to choose from.
And since your dining areas are a family gathering space, Mike has some ideas here too.
And families come together around the table, enjoying meals, sharing stories, sharing their lives. And so Georgia Furniture Mart has expanded our selection of dining, from the kitchen to formal dining room sets where the families can truly gather, with over 80 beautiful dining room sets in every category, soup to nuts, from contemporary to traditional to glam to Farmhouse. Georgia Furniture Mart has it all. We've never felt that just doing business the same old way that everybody else does is adequate. We operate through love and respect, uniting and bringing people together, and we truly believe in giving back and improving people's lives. Live beautifully today at Georgia Furniture Mart.
Want to know more about how you can live beautifully with the help of Georgia Furniture Mart? Visit gafurnituremart.com or designingspaces.tv.